Yeah, Kasilamakasi, the biggest township in South Africa. Soweto, good people, 3 a.m. in the morning. Good morning and good morning, good people. Pimville, we are coming. To be honest, Nagithatela Soweto, good people. Every time I'm here, my heart, it's so happy.
In 1 kilometer, turn left onto Mojaji Street.
The biggest kasi in South Africa. Yeah, Pimville, we are here. Motoshas Pinya, Sesa Pinya Jamapai, good people. And I thank you. Okay. Oh. No, we don't.
Samba.
Oh, Temba. Sakfuna, man. Aye. How's it, my brother?
I'm fine, sir.
Scheiße. Rengas.
Yeah.
Serious?
I don't know you.
Oh, okay. Now I'm Mr. Moloto, ne? Yeah, I'm from Polokwane. What's ever Polokwane guy?
I'm not sure, sir.
Polokwane, it's far north. About 300 and something kilometers from here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How are you, my boy? And then Ugamala Kubani?
Temba.
Temba. Ubemi Snave?
Yeah, I'm Snave.
None.
That's all I smoke.
Serious?
Yeah.
And then your hair? You don't take off your hair, why?
I do take care of my hair.
No, but it's messy. Itchy. Hey, Temba. Pretty blanket. So,
what can I help you with?
Oh, I'm here to help you. You can't help me. Now I'm here to help you. Because your parents are crying.
About what?
And you're so handsome. You must marry my daughter.
Why are they crying, my parents? Why are they crying?
Yeah, because they don't understand what kind of a Temba are you these days. You are not the very same Temba they raised.
Sir, but my dad took out a gun and he took out a mvubu.
So you want to have your
to the hospital.
You want to have your father arrested.
I do, because he took out a gun and he took out a stick and he brought some couple of guys to take me to the hospital for no reason. The doctors checked everything. They said I'm okay. I came back home, and then this is what is happening.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
24?
Yeah.
Are you schooling?
I'm not schooling, sir.
Why? At 24?
I'm still looking for a job.
Did you go to school? Up to which grade?
I dropped out at second year of college.
Second year of college? When?
It was 2022.
2022?
Yeah.
23, 24, 25.
23, I was working at Macro.
Yeah.
24, I was staying at home. 25, I'm still at home.
Why did they chase you at Macro?
They didn't chase me away. So,
what happened?
It was a contract. It finished.
And then you started smoking crystal.
I didn't smoke crystals.
What did you smoke?
I smoked sniff. That's what.
Why?
I smoked sniff because.
What was it?
No, it's for stress.
Stress?
Yeah.
And then Kimang prescribe us a sniff.
I took it from
it's
my
your
mom.
Doctor? No.
I took it from my mom. Smoked sniff.
You stole it?
They smoke sniff. My mom and my gogo.
Okay.
So they said I should try it out.
Okay.
It helps stress.
So do you think your stress is fading because of sniff?
Yeah, it helps. It helps.
How so?
It helps with stress. Whenever I feel stressed, I just take a small portion and then everything's okay.
What stresses you?
Finding a job, trying to make some money.
Do you have a girlfriend?
I don't, sir.
Why?
I'm not looking for a companion. So exactly what are we here for?
Your parents are not happy.
So I told you that these parents are not even my parents.
You call them this parents.
These, so let me tell the whole story. It was 2 days ago. They took out a gun, they brought a stick, they brought people. We can go to the hospital and check my results. If my results say I'm clean, because they keep saying I'm sick.
What was the reason? Maybe there is a
There
reason.
was no reason. That's why I'm.
But maybe there is something that you are doing that is bothering them.
What is that?
To even go to that extent.
Can you please ask them what's?
Mama, what's wrong with this boy?
Temba, when last did you look at me and speak to, and talk to me? Every time I talk to you, you don't talk to me, you don't eat, you don't bath anymore. When I ask you, Temba, what's the problem? You don't answer me. You just look at me, or you say, pum pum, get out of my room. That's what you are saying.
So he's even
Get
laughing,
out
my
of
father.
my room.
Why is he laughing now?
Who's
He's
laughing?
not laughing. Who's
He's laughing.
Do you see this man laughing?
Time.
Do you see Charles laughing with this straight face? You call it laughing?
He wants to kill me, sir.
Yeah, no, your head is not right, my boy. I don't see this man laughing. Are you laughing, Charlie Bus?
Can you all go to the hospital, because they sent me to the hospital?
All
saying I
right,
was sick.
okay, dress up. Let's go to the
Yeah, let's go to the
hospital.
hospital.
Yeah, dress up.
Can I get them
Oh,
arrested?
hi.
Can I get them arrested if it's not you?
Yeah,
Okay.
get them arrested. I will accompany you to the police so that you can have your parents arrested.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Because I don't know why they bring people. Because I was sleeping the whole time. I even took.
I didn't find you sleeping.
I was sleeping. I even made a dish because I was hungry. I smoked sniff and I slept. That's all I remember.
And you are thin because you are not eating.
I'm not thin. I'm always thin. I can show
Mama,
my
was
pictures.
he
I'm
always
thin.
like this?
I'm always thin from a
Mama
young age.
says,
From a young age, I was thin.
And you are so intelligent. Your English is so fluent. Very, you look so. Abathakathi.
Abangikhiphela isibhamu, bangikhiphela umese, bangilethela abantu, bangisesibhedlela.
Serious?
Esibhedlela bathi ngilungile.
Mama,
Hayi,
wawuthakatha
I'm
umntwana wakho mara.
Bebe,
Baba,
wayehleka,
wawuthakatha
wayehleka,
umntwana wakho.
Mthandakazi.
Hayi mama, ungathakathi
Ngithandana,
umntwana
ungikhiphela
wakho man.
Wangikhiphela umese. Wangikhiphela umese, ubafana ngikhiphela isibhamu, angikhombe naso efastereni.
Yeah. Mama othi wakuthanda more than the rest of her children. And she wants better life out of you.
Can I get them arrested? That's what I'm
Yeah, we are going to Mama, tonight police are coming to fetch you.
And no, let's take the father. The father.
Oh, the father.
Yeah,
The
let's
father
take
is the problem.
The father is the problem.
Yeah.
Don't wear that trouser. Here's the new trouser states that.
Which one? The black jean? Yeah,
Yeah,
where this one?
This
Temba,
one.
lalela man, lalela.
Wear this one.
Ingolile Temba. Awulaleli. That's why baba village amoloto, because awuthiyeleji Temba man. That is the problem they are having in this house.
This house, mina ngifuna babo peace and awazana.
Yeah.
Take this under the bed. You take this under the bed, Simba.
Yeah, my techies are here.
Under the bed. Get
You see what's the problem? He says they're under the bed. Here's my techies. That's the first problem. Uphikisa yonke into engikhulumayo.
Yeah. Mama ay lihlopha Temba lena lathi.
Yeah, bonke.
Bonke.
Bangikhombele ngifuna sicela ibhara. Labantu bangikhombe ngesibhamu. Wangilethela abantu njengoba alethe nina la. Wangisesibhedlela.
Uba nasilethela uChesterfield usilethela. uChesterfield usilethela.
Ngifuna sicela esibhedlela.
Yeah, so Mama, did you pack for him?
Yeah.
My boy, before his battle, ne? After his battle, I'm taking you to rehab.
For what?
No, where now you need help. Because you don't even understand what you are saying. You don't even understand what you are saying. Alena belt, mama. Yeah, no, losing on, man. It's so stressy.
No, it's not if it helps.
God, please help us. Help our children. The bedroom is so nice. The pillow is clean. Mama is taking care of the pillow. Yeah. As funny snake, Mama.
It helps. So can I please just take it while
No.
we're driving and then we can just leave it because it's just traditional medicine. It's not a drug. The doctor said it's
No,
fine.
but we don't allow sniff at our center, man. I'm gonna let you smoke for the last time.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, but you must understand or sniff doesn't help with stress. Utamutswarela sona ke re Chesterfield. Mama. Don't worry, Mama. We all take care for our boys. Mama, pack for him. Let me get a pen and a paper so that we can. Mfanak, untlhomola pelo, man. Such a young, handsome boy. No, man, when a crystal damaged you. Crystal is dangerous, my boy. What must happen? Snake is saying, Garus Twitter. I went out to man. Kima, Sarlapida, Bafanas. Can you go in Magane? Erigi Mag. Yeah. Cash, sorry, Magin pen.
What's pay to my mom?
Ngena man. Ngena Bafanas. I am fan on Tomala Pelo. Mara draga ke satani man. Ay draga ke satani straight big guy.
I
love you, boy. Love you.
Gogo loves you. And we love you too. We mark you come in pen. In wala temba mo. Yeah. Temba, my boy, you must get well. Bemis abang gane ba Quisney for the last time. Ne? Ba Bemis. Na ba pete demon. Gog. Kuzolonga. Papa. Yeah,
From here, how do we move forward?
I'm coming there with Mama. Yeah, bathandazela gogo, bathandazela labantu. Yeah, good people, Pimville. Off to another area, but it goes Zondi. Zondi 1 Soweto. 3 o'clock in the morning, and I thank you.